Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing both your green screen clip and the background into Final Cut Pro so you can act immediately. Once done, scrub the clip and set in and out points. Make sure to trim any extra handles. You should place the background on the primary storyline and the green clip above as a connected clip. This gives you direct visual reference. Also, create a compound clip when multiple takes need identical keying parameters to save time later. Once your layers are stacked, add the keyer effect and sample the green midtones to remove the background. Then refine, reduce spill level to remove color cast, tweak edge distance, and erode to tighten the matte, and use feather to soften transitions. If hair or semi-transparent areas remain, use hue/saturation controls to desaturate fringe tones, and add a draw or garbage mask to exclude problematic edges. Make sure to finish, color match the subject to the background so the composite looks natural. Use color wheels for midtones and highlights, and adjust exposure until the subject sits in the scene. Once satisfied, render the timeline at full quality. ProRes 422 preserves edges, and export via share settings. If you encounter fringing or flicker, try temporal noise reduction or rekey with a different sample. And if that fails, reshoot with more even lighting. That troubleshooting move solves most stubborn artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.